Okay guys, so before we get started, I just want to discuss where I purchased my materials and things of that nature. So I got the PVC pipe from Home Depot, and you can't really buy PVC pipe in pieces, so you have to buy it in 10 feet length pieces. So I got three 10-foot length pieces and I had it cut. Now typically they do not cut PVC pipe for you, but because, I guess I was a damsel in distress, one of the employees cut the PVC pipe for me. I don't know how it is at Lowe's, but at Home Depot they typically do not cut it for you. So just be mindful of that. And I will list the measurements for a smaller stand if you want yours to be smaller. This video is not original. I did not come up with this idea on my own. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube, but I wanted mine to be a specific size, but you can find smaller ones on YouTube, and like I said before, I'll link it down below. Also, all the links for the PVC pipe will be listed below from homedepot.com, and let's get started. Alright, so you're going to need 2 pieces of 5-foot long PVC pipe. You're also going to need 4 pieces of 3-foot long PVC pipe. And the pipe that I'm using is 3/4 of an inch wide. You can use 1 inch if you like. You're also going to need 4 1-foot long pieces of PVC pipe, 2 90-degree elbow pieces that are also 3/4 of an inch wide, 4 T pieces, 4 caps, so now what you're going to do, you're going to take your 1-foot long PVC pipe and you're going to take 2 of them and connect it to the T-cap. You're going to do that for another set of the 1-foot long pipes. And this is going to be the base of our stand. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your caps and put them on the end of the 1-foot long pipes. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to take 2 of your 3-foot long pipes and you're going to attach one on each side of the base that you already created and place it into the T-cap. Now you're going to get your T pieces and place them on top of the 3-foot pipes that you just pushed into the other T pieces. Make sure that when you push them in, the open ends are facing inwards because that's where you're going to connect your first 5-foot piece. Now you're going to connect your remaining 3-foot pieces and place them on top of the T piece. Now you're going to take your 5-foot piece and connect it to the T piece in the middle. then connect it to the other side. Adjust as needed if your base is crooked. Okay, now you're going to take your 90-degree elbow pieces and connect it to the remaining 5-foot piece, one on each end. Make sure that the elbow pieces, the open ends, are facing down. The last thing you're going to do is connect the top 5-foot piece with the other 3-foot pieces using the 90-degree elbow for support. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful, but on a budget.